Okay, it's done. Check this out. Man, I love these lights. Got the winch.
Wait, I don't get it.
It's weird.
What the hell is damaged? You know what? What if it's just the axle that popped out? Dude, it might be the axle that popped out.
Yeah, but you can't turn that much, can it?
Doesn't look damaged. Even this thing doesn't look damaged, honestly. What the hell?
Okay, check this out. I'm in this super high-tech garage. Out. So starting from this side, this damage to the fender, kind of bent it this way. So I'm gonna fix this fender. This needs to get pulled out. You can tell something pushed it here, and look, this it's not seated correctly, so it kind of pushed it in that way. That's very light. That's gonna get pulled out. Now on this side, right here, we're not taking any radiator support. We're not cutting anything on the front at all. This is all gonna get pulled out. So you can tell it's kind of seated a little bit backwards that way. And look at the battery, it's kind of sitting like this. So this got pushed in. So this needs to get pulled out. The guy said he's gonna pull out, my frame guy said he's gonna pull all this out without cutting anything. Now obviously, that needs to get cut, this piece right here, just the skin. Now this right here, this part, this pillar, this is good. Going down here, this is bent. It's got a crease right here. And this is bent a little bit right here. Check out this rocker panel. This is where it started to get dented right here, and it ripped it out, right? So this is the thick part. It's probably dented somewhere right here, the thick part, but I don't care. Nobody's gonna see that. I need to change the skin. Check this out. I bought this piece from the dealer. Look how this lines up. That's where that stands, right? Look at that. Look where it's ripped. Right there. That's exactly what I need. So I don't have to go to the junkyard to have these guys, you know, cut a huge piece out for like 500 bucks or more. 110 bucks from the dealer. That's all I need. Yeah. You know, no damage here. We're gonna reuse the same door hinges. So this is all good. So I got a new hood hinges, new fender, bumper. I'm gonna do front end is gonna be TRD Pro. When you look at it from this side, you're gonna think it's a TRD Pro, even the headlights. Okay, I just got my truck back. The guys adjusted all the panels, fixed this rocker skin. Sorry, it's kind of dark. Check it out. There. Gotta do the body work. Got the headlights in. Hood's all adjusted. This is the fender that was messed up. They adjusted it. Sorry, it's dark. Can't see it. Gotta do the body work and then paint. Get the interior done. Start doing some off-roading. Next step. Bundled this part. New hood. New fender. 2 new doors. Change the skin right here. Check it out. It's good to go. Ready for paint. Got my homie here. Truck is ready to go. When it comes out, it'll be nice and clean. Let's go. All right, just got my Tacoma back. Look at that hood. Look at that paint job, man. That is wet. That is an awesome paint job. This guy's good. Dima, my boy Dima from VSB. Got the guys crawling all over it already. Check out the rocker panel. Not bad, not bad. You got the rock chip texture. Let's look over here. Nice. Now, the fun part. Put this all together, clean it up. Let's get it going. We got the exterior complete. Check this out. This thing right here got broken. This little cover, gotta buy one of those. Other than that, everything else is done. I got these seats, as you can see, stitched up. It kind of has this crease right here, but I noticed, you know, from experience, this tends to like bounce back. So I'm not worried about that. It'll look good again. Check this out, I finished it. I put on some Vision wheels from America's Tire. They were like 900 bucks. These are way lighter than stock. I think it's close to 8 pounds lighter than stock. These are 16s. Yes, they look a little small, but this is a truck. This is an off-roading truck. Learned from this one, 22s. I beat up this lip so many times. I painted this 3 times already because the sidewall is so small. So I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna do that anymore. I know the tires look really plain, but these are stock. They have 6,000 miles on them. I'm not gonna change them. You know, tread is really good. I'm not gonna change them right now. I'll put on some more aggressive tires once fall comes around. Winch, 12,000 pound winch with the bumper. When I put it on, I measured this piece right here from here down to the ground. And then after I put it on, it made the truck drop down another ½ an inch. It's squatting as it is right now. This is stock. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a inch lift kit in the front, just the spacer in the front, because that's squatting way too much. This bar light is connected with a relay, 4-pin relay connected to the high beams. So when I turn on the high beams, it turns on that bar light. So the way I did it was, check this out. Kind of dirty, didn't even get a chance to clean this yet. These are the wires. I know I'm gonna hide all these wires. I'm gonna put them in one of these kind of like plastic tubes or whatever they're called. This is for the bar light, the plus. Here's the relay. That's the remote for the winch, and I got a wireless remote as well. check this out. That's the winch in there. That thing is so like compact, so tight in there. Super, super hard to put it in. I'm happy with this now. Basically looks like a TRD Pro now. Guys, check out my upcoming video of the Cyber Prius. I'm almost done with it. I'm gonna start doing the Raptor liner on it. I'm working on it. Got everything primered. I'm gonna spray it this week, this upcoming week. Right? It's Sunday today, so I'm thinking maybe Wednesday, Thursday, I'm gonna finally get it Raptor lined. So stay tuned.